Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here. Today I'm going to show you guys a fairly new company that's giving you guys another opportunity to build credit and fast. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So the name of the company is called PerPay, and it gives me that kind of finger hut kind of feel. But they partner with a lot of brands and their stuff is not necessarily overpriced. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to keep an eye on what those brands are. You don't want to put yourself in a situation where you're just buying something to build credit. Make sure it actually makes sense to you or something that you plan on, buying anyway. Okay. But it's actually pretty simple how this whole entire process works. You can shop, build credit, and pay over time with your paycheck. Their mission is to make everyday purchases more accessible and to help you build credit along the way. There's no credit check required. You can shop over 1,000 top brands. And there's small payments that come from your paycheck, essentially direct deposit, guys. So just like you pay any other bill, okay? And it's a simple way to build credit. So you're able to shop your favorite brands using your personalized spending limit for the thing that you want or need in their online marketplace. Then you can make automatic payments, while they automatically take out of your account every single month. Okay. Then you can build credit history each time that you do this. So you're going to see results much sooner than 4 months, but they're essentially saying it should be no later than 4 months. And as you use PerPay over time, they will continually apply your payment history, which will help you build your credit. Now, of course, it's not just on-time payment history. So obviously, if you're late, you miss payments, things of that sort, that will show up as well. So make sure that you're looking at what that monthly payment is going to be on that item to make sure that you can afford that. Okay. And so essentially, that's the skinny of it. You apply and then there's no credit check. They give you a spending limit and you're able to use it. I think this is a great way to rebuild credit, especially if your score is not where you want it to be, or if you're just looking to get over that hump without having to, have a credit card commitment. Some people don't want a credit card commitment, but you most definitely could do this as a great option. So to go ahead and sign up for PerPay, you just sign up right here at the link. Just go to park850.com and the link is going to be right at the top. And then once you get there, you just click on where it says join PerPay. Okay. Hopefully this video was helpful. Of course, if you guys like it, you want to share it, be sure to subscribe as well too, as we have a lot more great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. See you all on the next video.